Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Kubernetes node services after network outage. Full guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing the extent of the network outage. Check the status of the Kubernetes nodes to identify any that are down. Use the command kubectl get nodes to list the current state of all nodes. Identify nodes that are in not ready status. Next, investigate the network issue. Log into the affected node to check network connectivity. Run ping to see if the node can communicate with other nodes in the cluster. If the node is unreachable, resolve the network issues first. Once the network is restored, check the cluster status again. If nodes still show not ready, proceed to the next step. Use kubectl describe node name for detailed information about the node. Look for any taints that might prevent pods from scheduling. If necessary, remove taints using the command kubectl taint nodes name key value dash to allow scheduling. Now, check the status of the pods on the affected node. Use kubectl get pods all namespaces o wide to see where pods are running. For any pods that have failed or are not running, check their logs. Use kubectl logs pod name to review the logs for errors. For pods that are still pending, check if there are sufficient resources available. If resources are constrained, consider scaling down other workloads. After resolving issues, restart the kubelet service on the affected node. You can do this by running system-till restart kubelet. Verify that kubelet is back up and running with system-till status kubelet. After a few moments, check if nodes transition back to ready. If they do not, you may need to drain the node and reschedule the pods. Use the command kubectl drain node name ignore daemon sets to safely evacuate the node. After draining, reopen the node for scheduling with kubectl uncordon node name. Finally, verify that all services and pods. Check the overall health of the cluster using kubectl get all namespaces. Document the incident for future reference and trouble. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.